a bowl brimming with nobles and charming women. Is it elegant figures beneath the candlelight? Or the special wisps of fragrance that crowds can't wash away? Carrying the message of love, searching for the two hearts predestined to encounter. Guiding the first sight of Romeo and Juliet. You inquire of me why Cupid shoots his arrows with his eyes closed. I respond, because the significant matters are not discernible to the eyes. At this instant, I shut my eyes and allow my heart to perceive, and let arrows and fragrances be my guides. They led me across the congested multitude, across the silent cobblestone streets and beaches, till I encounter her, the soulmate who enchants me at the first glance.